Hey guys, we have 2 plus 3 minus 4 divided by 4 multiply 5. Okay, so we use PEMDAS rule. Parentheses first, exponents, right? Multiplication and division from left to right, and then addition and subtraction from left to right. Okay, so first of all, divide, right? So 2 plus 3 minus 4 divided by 4 equals 1 multiply 5. Now here is plus, here is minus, here is multiply. Multiplication and division from left to right. So multiply first. 2 plus 3 minus 1 times 5 equals 5, not 1. Right? So now addition and subtraction from left to right. So plus first. 2 plus 3 equals 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 equals 0. This is the answer.